Hi, and welcome to the Crochet Crash Course. I'm your host, Ivy Reisner, and this is episode 9, Gauge. Gauge, very simply, is a measure of how many stitches you get to an inch in crochet. And what that does is it controls how your final garment is going to fit. If you're getting a gauge of 4 stitches in an inch, and you cast on 20 stitches, you'll have something 5 inches wide. If you're supposed to be getting a gauge of 4 stitches to the inch and you're actually getting 5 stitches to the inch, you cast on those same 20 stitches, you're only going to get something 4 inches wide. So it's something to be attentive to. I'm going to show you how to measure your gauge. If when you measure your gauge you're getting something, a number larger than the pattern designer told you, so you're told to get 4 stitches to the inch, you get 5, it means your stitches are too tight, they're too small. You're going to want to go 1 hook larger to ease things up and check again. If you're getting too few stitches to the inch, you're supposed to get 4 but you're getting 3, it means your stitches are too big and you're going to want to go 1 hook smaller to tighten things up. And gauge is controlled by the hook size, by the yarn, and also by how the individual crocheter is putting tension on the yarn. So you're going to have to check your gauge in any fitted project that you do. Let's take a look at how we measure gauge. To measure gauge, you're going to make a swatch, and that's just a small crocheted item in the stitch pattern intended. I've done this in double crochet because it's easier to see than single crochet, and I thought triple crochet might be a little harder to see. First thing you're going to do is you're going to measure off a 4-inch area. I'm just going to mark the beginning stitch and the end stitch. And the reason you want a 4-inch area as opposed to a 1-inch area is if there's a fractional stitch, it'll give you a better idea of it. You're going to then divide by 4. So let's go. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I have 12 stitches and 4 inches, which means I'm getting a gauge